Are you doing everything right but still not losing weight? You might be making these 10 critical mistakes. Let's fix them right now. I'm going to show you exactly what's sabotaging your progress and how to turn it around starting today. Mistake number 1. You're eating the right foods but your portions are way too big. A serving of pasta should be half a cup, not half the plate. Use smaller plates and measure your food for the first week until you learn what proper portions look like. Mistake number 2, you're skipping meals thinking it saves calories, but this leads to overeating later and slows your metabolism. Eat 3 balanced meals plus healthy snacks to keep your metabolism firing all day. Mistake number 3, you're drinking your calories without realizing it. That morning latte and afternoon smoothie can add up to 800 calories. Stick to water, black coffee, and unsweetened tea to eliminate hidden liquid calories. Mistake number 4. You're choosing processed diet foods over real whole foods, thinking they're healthier. These are packed with hidden sugars, preservatives, and chemicals that trigger cravings. Choose whole foods with ingredients you can pronounce and your body will thank you. Mistake number 5. You're not eating enough protein to maintain muscle while losing fat. Without enough protein, you lose muscle instead of fat. Aim for 20 to 30 grams of protein at every meal to preserve muscle and boost metabolism. Mistake number 6. You're cutting out entire food groups or eating way too few calories. This leads to binge eating and a damaged relationship with food. Create a moderate calorie deficit with foods you actually enjoy eating long term. Mistake number 7. You're not tracking your food accurately or at all. Those handful of nuts and cooking oil add up to hundreds of hidden calories. Use a food scale and tracking app for at least 2 weeks to learn true portion sizes. Mistake number 8. You're ignoring sleep and stress, which control your hunger hormones. Poor sleep and high stress increase cravings for high-calorie comfort foods. Prioritize 7 to 9 hours of sleep and find healthy ways to manage stress. Mistake number 9. You have an all-or-nothing mindset that derails you after one bad meal. One cookie becomes a whole sleeve because you think the day is ruined anyway. Practice the 80-20 rule. Eat well 80% of the time and enjoy treats 20%. Mistake number 10. You expect to lose 20 pounds in 2 weeks like you see on social media. Healthy weight loss is 1 to 2 pounds per week with normal fluctuations. Focus on building habits that last instead of chasing quick fixes that always backfire. Fix these 10 mistakes and you'll finally see the results you've been working for. Remember, sustainable weight loss is about progress, not perfection. If this helped you, hit subscribe for more science-backed weight loss tips that actually work. What mistake were you making? Let me know in the comments below.